Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are using orange juice to create a refreshing and zesty citrus flavored fish dish that will definitely impress everyone, whether you are a fish lover or not. The fish is crunchy and the orange juice provides a signature sweet and sour base for the sauce. Okay, let's start cooking now. 200 gram white fish fillet. I used the snapper fillet with skin on, as I kept the fish in the freezer for a few days, so the meat was a bit broken after defrosting. However, it still tasted delicious when it was cooked. It is better to use fresh white fish fillet if you can manage it. This fish is pretty wide, so I cut the main piece to about 5 cm wide and then slice the meat diagonally. By doing this way, each piece will be bigger and thinner. Marinate the fish with 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cooking wine, about 2 tablespoons whisked egg. Mix the seasoning thoroughly with the fish. And then add half teaspoon salt. Mix it again with the fish. And then finally 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix it again with the fish and leave it marinate for 30 minutes. Now we prepare an orange sauce. I only used half an orange as this orange is big and juicy. However, you can use a whole orange if you want a stronger orange zest. Put 1 teaspoon white vinegar, half teaspoon sugar, 60 ml water, and 1 teaspoon cornstarch to the orange juice. Give it a good stir and then do a tasting. You can adjust the sour and sweet level to your preference by adding more vinegar and sugar. About a quarter piece of onion and dice it to small pieces. One clove of garlic, dice it into small pieces as well. "30 minutes later, we do a cornstarch coating on the fish before deep frying. Put 2 tablespoons cornstarch to a plate. Coat the cornstarch on each piece of fish fillet completely. Keep adding more cornstarch to the plate to ensure each piece of fish fillet can be coated completely. All done, and we can start cooking now. Heat up the oil to about 160 degrees Celsius. Put the coated fish fillet to the hot oil. Turn the heat to medium and then deep fry until both sides slightly turned brown. Now it is a good color. Transfer the fish to a plate and then finish deep frying the rest of the fish fillets. Cool down the fish and oil for about 10 minutes and then heat up the oil again to 180 degrees Celsius. Put all the fish fillets to the hot oil again and deep fry each side for 30 seconds, or when the color turned to medium brown, and then transform them on a plate. Now we will do plating before cooking the orange sauce. Choose a plate you like to show better presentation. Place the deep-fried fish fillets nicely on the plate, then cook the sauce. Spray a little bit oil on the hot pan. Stir-fry the onion and garlic cubes until they are slightly softened, and then pour in the orange juice mix that we made just now. Remember to give the orange juice mix a good stir before pouring to the pan, as the cornstarch tends to settle at the bottom of the liquid. Stir until the sauce thickened. Then the orange sauce is done. Sprinkle the orange sauce evenly on the fish, and then this orange sauce fish is done. This dish is super scrumptious. The fish is tender and crunchy. The orange sauce is featuring an aromatic citrus, sweet and sour flavor. This dish is one of my family's favorites. I hope you will give this recipe a try and will like it too. If you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!